For decades, the M4 carbine and M249 light machine gun have been the backbone of American infantry firepower. From the deserts of Iraq to the mountains of Afghanistan, these weapons have earned their place in military history. But in 2025, the U.S. military is turning the page. Meet the XM7 and XM250, the next generation of small arms, now officially replacing the legendary M4 and M249 in select frontline units. This transformation is part of the Pentagon's Next Generation Squad Weapon Program, or NGSW, a bold initiative to overhaul the way American soldiers fight on the battlefield. And it's not just about firepower, it's about range, accuracy, lethality, and adaptability in the face of evolving threats from near-peer adversaries like China and Russia. The XM7, designed by Sauer, is the successor to the M4. It fires a 6.8mm hybrid round, offering significantly higher muzzle velocity, improved range, and better armor penetration compared to the 5.56mm NATO rounds of its predecessor. Then there's the XM250, replacing the M249 squad automatic weapon. Despite being lighter, it delivers superior recoil control and increased accuracy, while maintaining the high rate of fire needed for suppression and maneuver warfare. Together, they mark a revolution in individual soldier lethality. But what truly sets these weapons apart isn't just the ammo or the build. It's the XM157 Fire Control System. Think of it as a smart scope, powered by onboard sensors, laser rangefinders, and a ballistic computer. It calculates bullet drop, wind, and distance in real time, giving soldiers a first-shot hit probability like never before. We're talking augmented reality meets battlefield lethality. Why is this happening now? The answer lies in today's changing battlefield. China is developing advanced body armor and fielding more capable infantry units. Russia is experimenting with next-gen tactics and electronic warfare. Iran, North Korea, and asymmetric threats are evolving faster than ever. In short, the U.S. needs weapons that can dominate in every environment, from urban warfare to Arctic operations. And that's what the XM7 and XM250 are built for. In 2025, elite units across the Army and Special Forces have already begun training and deploying with these systems. So, what makes these weapons different on the technical side? The 6.8 by 51mm round gives better energy retention at long ranges. The XM7 operates with improved ergonomics, ambidextrous controls, and reduced recoil. The XM250 has quick change barrel capability, better heat dissipation, and a lighter frame, making it more mobile and sustainable in prolonged firefights. And the XM157 optic integrates into future battle networks, allowing soldiers to see, identify, and fire faster than ever before. This isn't just a weapons upgrade. It's a step into next-gen warfighting. The XM7 and XM250 represent more than just new rifles. They symbolize the future of infantry combat, a future where technology, firepower, and information converge in the hands of the individual warfighter. But as these weapons begin to roll out across more units, a bigger question remains. Will they truly redefine the battlefield? Or will the next war demand even more? One thing's for sure, modern warfare is changing, and the U.S. military is evolving to stay ahead. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more in-depth looks at next-gen military tech.